Hey guys, today I'm at Channel Islands National Park. Pretty cool place. Just took an awesome boat ride to get over here. I'll show some footage of that here in a second. Saw some dolphins. It was really cool. Let's see what there is to see here. It's beautiful, peaceful. Fog is still covering part of the island this morning. Cavern Point. So this is Cavern Point up this hill. Wow, beautiful view. That's the cliff that I was just on a minute ago. Alright, back on the boat, heading out of here. I didn't have a lot of time, so I did the Cavern Point Loop Trail. Awesome. All right, back on the mainland, and yeah, that was really cool. It's my first national park where I took a boat ride to get there. I didn't have a ton of time because I kind of planned it at the last minute. I got the last 2 boat tickets available today, you know, out there and back. And so it was really cool, beautiful. Love to come back and do it again, maybe do some kayaking, maybe bring my wife next time, and check it out. It's my 30th National Park, Channel Islands National Park.